Hello, my brothers and sisters. I greet everybody from Otoshibo Mama. Now, good afternoon, now good morning, now good evening, wherever you are watching from. I greet everybody. I just want to talk to this our brother favorite. Mona wait, Sabek, Mona novice. I did confess. Hope you people are hearing me. Just listen. Mona listen to what your favorite talk. Because this fair, I don't know what they do and sometimes. And they come, Mona, may I do, may I bring her come out.
Yeah, this we are to talk show live and direct. Single mother. Yes, I'm back to my base, but today I want to pass around this clear to talk show. My way stand, see me they marry more than one wife, me they don't marry one wife. Today as we are to talk show, I they declare they open all this open talk to the world, to the society. As can we are to talk show
Hope you people are hearing.
needed, I pass this message out to everybody that as the Kangobri master, the husband to a single mother, at the broadcast and now say life and direct, that a second housewife is needed by Weirdo. Yes, you have come. I want everybody to come for
Are
clearance.
you hearing?
And Weirdo talk show. And now I am decided to take the second wife. If the first one say no one, it go go.
Hello, brothers and sisters. Are you hearing me? Now they hear. I don't know what they do this something. Be like say you just block for one place. Hello. I don't even see when that comment comes. I don't even see anything. Okay. And now I can see. Thank you, Thank you.
So what else? So now we are to talk show. Don't go, you don't come, you don't make a decision now to take the second housewife. Now it's housewife needed. Contact. There must be screening. No, so we are to talk show, not the carry any woman. So the time has come as when we are to talk show. That is why I say may all men marry more than one wife, because you women not be marry one. We need to marry joint wife. As an weirdo talk show, at the broadcast and live and direct, a second housewife needed by weirdo talk show, the Kokobri master. That is why I'm broadcasting it out now. I know next I'm resuming my program now. I'm back now, but I resume with this my talk of today that a second housewife is needed by weirdo talk show, the Kokobri master. You understand? We are a traditional men. We believe in our culture. If first wife say no go do, he go go. We go stay.
Tradition
So
can
we
never change.
tradition can never change. If he say no, he go go.
Weirdo
No,
talk show, Germany.
no be before the
Weirdo talk show. Nobody can change.
So we have to talk show. So no be say what
From the elders of the Benin.
So we are making it. So I'm a talk show. I'm a traditional man.
So you gotta understand, okay?
So we must it's true. A second housewife needed. Contact we have to talk show. Yes, we have to talk show is prepared back to take another wife.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm prepared.
It's
To look
prepared.
for a good wife.
Good wife.
Yes, I'm looking for a good wife. Contact me. All the good single mother, not the wayward single mother. If you are a wayward single mother, don't contact me. I need the good woman. I need a second wife now.
That's true.
I must take a second wife. It is
That's true.
written.
Yeah.
God don't talk out dinner. If the first one don't want, I'll come on, leave her for us.
That's
I'll
true.
live my life. It not be create me. It not be woman.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Two now they hear what this affair they talk. I don't know the way this affair they talk. Me I fair block am for there. I don't know whether it's the reason wetin they talk. I don't know. You just dey fool your woman. The woman wey born for you. The thing dey vex me. If I see man wey just dey talk to his wife anyhow, the thing go just dey vex me. Yeah, I know say na him wife dey fool. The thing dey vex me. The thing dey vex me because me na woman too. If the woman na my sister, I go dey pay me. Huh? How can a man, woman wey you even though say you wan marry, even though say you wan marry 10 wife sef, make we put am like that. The first one, you no fair respect am. Huh? You no fair respect the first one wey you get for house before you dey marry 100. You never even mindset ye mock back here. You never even carry one finish, say you wan go carry another one. Who wan even carry you sef? Who wan marry you Efeyi? You will not get respect for your wife. If you marry second one, not be as you say they do the first one, and so you want to see they do the second one where you want marry. I don't know when that person know they talk to you. You know they sit down, maybe they think, hey, the woman way born for you, you not get respect for her. You not get respect for her. It's a shameful thing, a disgrace. You not be no big bar, you not get respect for her. Even though say you want marry 100 woman, who want even follow you? Who want follow you? They say if you marry one wife, now one problem you get. If you get two, now two problem you get. If you get three, now three problem. What did they worry you? When you know they respect your wife. See the other man where they say yes, that one how many he get for us. You know they see that make the reason you they fool your wife. You just they fool your wife. You dey fool your wife, you just say you dey fool another person. See, most of una wey just dey talk say I wan marry second wife, I wan marry this one wey dey do live video, dey look una say una see this one. Una think say una dey fool another person. Una dey fool una wife, una dey fool una self. Una dey fool una self. Obi no ma say ti dolo wa eji. Wa yan say ti yari okwo be nu do ya dolo wa eji ye. Hey, you never even say may you repair your house. You want go carry another second one. Who be that fool? Where want go there? Now only fool now go say you want go there. The thing I just say yesterday, the thing just dey vex me. Now say wetin dey worry this boy? If they not talk to you, you not talk to yourself. The other ozuo wey dey back, that one dey praise anya akpe we ye wo. Yen iru awe fie, yen iru awe fo na, yen iru awe you wait ku na yen say where are you where? You get one, you never if you know fit use your hand say hold on where you say the first second one. If what did they do you? Because not be say now you work the money where you take marry the woman. I make you they do anyhow. I make you they do like that. Everybody, we all don't know say your house not settled. We don't know that one. We know already. Since last year, now you take and tell them, now you take and tell them do live video. We know, but respect the woman. If the marriage don't finish, no problem. You get a okagbe, tell them. I go my buy. I want give a kun. I dey decision my cut it. But respect her till the end. Respect in there. What did they do you? You carry your phone, just they talk anyhow because you they talk about your wife. If the woman say not agree, you go carry your load, you go come. You know, since you know they talk. Best a man where they responsible. You know they talk like that. I always say maybe now don't see that. Now don't see the video where the video where you do. Because I know everyone may play and finish. The thing just they vex me. I say they listen to it and I say see this one. What you they talk for math? You build Uyedo Top Show. Who give you that name? Say you build Uyedo Top Show. So if you want to go marry, if you like me, you marry 20 wife. People the time when they grow come that time. People where they marry 2 or 3 wife. Now 3 problem now they get. But you know me say the first one say make them they beat her, make them they jab, make them they do as they like. Then they give her respect before they bring second one come. I tell you not get respect. You not get respect for the first one, for the first wife. So now the second one now you will come get respect. You will come give her respect. If you don't want to do again, not be task. I agba major. That dog, everybody go do it. Oh, you go do your own, she go do her own. But can't they fool the woman for live video? Mama, Emma, you still they fool your own. You still they fool yourself. Tell people say you know want the girl. Be like saying that the woman and they force you. What did they do you? That mean that they call you a gogoro master, eh? You know they use your sense. You know they use your sense. Yes, you want marry 2 wives, you want marry 3 wives. Even though say you marry 100, first of all, the woman will born first picking for you. Respect her, give her that respect. Give her the respect in it. See the other one wey stand for your back. How many that one get for us? Maybe you no even get one. They tell you say yes, you must marry 2 wives, you must marry 3 wives. You like marry 100. Now you go get. Now the problem go dey your head. Now so it's sweet. Now so it's sweet. People where even you there abroad, you just they talk anyhow. You want marry 2 wives. If you reach Nigeria, if they talk, then even they talk say ba yok we vayawu. Only one way I get, I never even finish. I never even take care of the woman. I want to go carry another one. Not be another problem with that one, huh? Not be another problem with that one. Now another problem. You were there for Europe. They say travel is a part of education. You were there for Europe. They tell people say that they marry 2 wives. You know the problem where there. Not to marry, not be said if person say one marry, say not fit marry. To take care of a woman, you fit take care of that woman where you get for us. So talk like say you want to go carry another one put. Whether not 2 or 3 children you get, you fit don't trade the finish say you want to go born another one. What is they do you? You know the person where they talk to you. The fair woman, you think say all those people where they watch you for live video, they not get sense. As you they disgrace your wife for live video, so may they come, they say okay, I want you. Now so you go still disgrace the person, the second one where you go carry come. Now so you go still, you come to I go a live video, and you go to say I need a 3rd wife again. See what they come out for your mouth. Instead of you to tell men, say make them they respect their wife. That make me like you now when they do live video, all those men when they do live video. That make me this Vida Osa, that one. You know they use the wife till they play. I like her for that thing. I too like her for that thing. Get what it they we not a good, but the wife if you want just curse your wife, just leave your wife. Curse her, you go use and take rob. May you not go near your wife. That make me like that man. They like her for that thing. See this one, just they use the wife, just they jejeran. Hello, my people. It was network. I don't know what happened to that. What happened to that audio? I'm back again. I don't really know what happened to the audio. So this Faye, anybody wey know am, may tell am make they respect his wife. Not only that one, just respect your wife. Not they behave as if you say the woman. I don't know. Even though say you know one time again, but that respect still they give her. Still continue to they give her. Till one as one and not they do it, everybody do it own. But they give her, not they come the full land. The thing not good. Because you send a woman where you put money for her, be like send the woman and give you the money where you take put for your head. Because no mugo yoku, no get a huigo, no ya mugo yoku. You know they behave as you say they behave so. Because I go on amigo ni no ya no mujo wo ha. Just they do anyhow. Try to respect that woman. Try to respect her. If you like, you go marry 100 woman. Nobody care. But honoro wani carry ujoge uri nene. Because women are usually no honoro wa. Hono were gbede for the second one. The same thing. Because in your way, upopo na yagbe bija le abe yagbija wo. Because when you with the first one, you have with the second one. So try to respect that lady. I don't know the woman, but the thing they pay me, if I just see as you thought they talk, they talk anyhow, because anything where they talk, you are talking about your wife, which is bad. You have to respect that woman. Or bien when we know, everybody knows say because the way they talk, like person say they know say this, because really if you love your wife or you love your husband, the way you say they talk, people go even know say this man or when or when that for him. But the way you say they talk, me say error. But if you know they, no problem. But give them that respect. Till you go marry your second wife, say since you say na tradition that you can't do for Europe. You never see some people where go say you go get one wife, you go say you want marry joiner. After I went don't marry joiner, that make me they watch this Benin program, all this Benin movie, I they watch and well. After you don't marry second one, you can't regret say like say I know. Obokamone no obokamene no ni car me wo one you waste no like say I know. I don't know don't they use am. Because you when no money say why total. Huh? This say now all woman be like your woman wey no dey talk. Not be all woman be like that o. Some women there, their head the foreign, their brain or what foreign. So when why ko mo ho na egu we gwan ni wa misbehave why ko ya we ko gboro we yegbe. Give her respect. Uma onu I dey gbo ma job woman iri okwo salebe no. But that respect give her. Ono say when no mu dia we ye keni no ga pe se yo we ni. O bia o si agbon ni he. Onyo si agbon. Huh? Because many people they talk say women they not get respect. Now women not bad. Sometimes una way be me una no good though, eh? Una no good. Because not be all women no good, eh? So men they are very wicked, eh? They very bad, eh? What did they do for inside house, eh? If their woman open their mouth, you go say, eh? Now you can they advise people for social media, huh? If I igbe ne gbo igbe, yan wa gwo mo gwan bogbe. Some people they go say if father marry 5 wives, so now 5 wives he go still marry. So even they go say if father marry 5 wives, go our one only one what by hanya nyime dagbo me. What thing? If you like you marry 100 wives, but respect the one we fair both for you. Not can they talk about that beauty for them. Just as you come live video, come talk say you want second wife, people go wrong come. Huh? They will call on community with a fine husband. We they treat the one where you get for his house, they treat them bad. People they see and we were they watch you, they see as you take they treat that woman. Last time you they cause a family, they cause all a generation. Huh? Woman where you say you marry put for his house, you they cause her for live video. If you say as you they call yourself who you do, you say at all. Try to maintain what you they talk, what you they bring, what you they talk come out for your mouth, and they respect your wife. It's very important. You are responsible at all. You know they're responsible because your children will go watch all that video tomorrow. All these things where you they do nyama, they will watch them tomorrow. If you get problem with your wife, solve her inside house. Not call the carry and they call social media. And maybe they behave yourself. I don't know what they do you. I bet my brothers and sisters now just say this one. I just see this thing because me I know they like men where they treat women anyhow like that. Because you know they talk say women not get respect. But you know now worse past. Now they do anyhow they treat women bad. Which kind of thing be that one? You even get daughter. If they do unto your daughter, you go like her. You don't like her. If you get problem, solve am for his house now. Now okagbe na give you now they get okagbe where give you the woman. You don't want to get tell them say you don't want. All the thing do we yakin so go mother ye banene. Now they cause all these things. Ya when you any man obama ya doleji. If your wife they misbehave, try to make her to tell her say this way they do I not like her. If now you even they misbehave, say try to change what you they do. Maybe become a good husband. Not be everything say na woman. You know that say you pack your load, you come on, go say you want to go meet another woman. At last you go call the cry say wetin make me come out. Ekeni kaje mama se keni gijena. Efei. Bogo we egbe. Bogo we egbe do me man no go egwa ngwa no ga go egwa. Don't be a wayward man. What you just do anyhow for there. A man where they respect his wife. If you go even they talk and come and say I be husband of all single. Get as it be. That respect who the no can we. Do how ya where they outside you feel they do. But for when they do live video, you give them that respect. Say I too value my wife. Everybody just know people when they do live video A to Z know say your wife you man value women respect in because they talk and say now the woman na marriage you say not be you work the money where you take for your head. Now they cost all this kind of thing so. And some women, if you know say the man not ready to marry you, even to say them no marry, waiting. Now they cost all this kind of thing so because he just show for a fair I say a wife he not love her once, he not even love her 10 kobo error. What do they do you? I bet my brothers and sisters, I know they like all this in yama thing. I know they like her. Respect your wife if you want, because as you don dey shout for there say I believe say na common marriage na you do. How you wan take marry second wife? Me I no know. Maybe you wan give am belle, you wan use am take do single mother. If the woman no give you divorce, if he no sign divorce paper for you, how you wan take marry am? Efeyi. Abi if you no get that, you no know say you fit go prison if you no get divorce say you wan go marry. Then who you wan print the injure yourself? Unless you go divorce first. If you divorce, you fit go dey do wetin you dey do. Abeg maintain wetin you dey talk. You just dey talk come on. You who control me no time. You just dey talk and yama. So wetin dey do this? Wetin dey do this boy sef? Efeyi. Ima no ri oku onu. Yangewe. They watch you. No be all friend be friend. That one wey dey your back, wey want destroy your house. I believe say you no even get one for his house. You no get sense. Women why? Okpobo your way. Yes, you must marry 2 wives. Yes, you must do this one. If the woman say no, they green, he go carry a load, he go come out. Are you not ashamed? Wetin dey talk come out for mouth? I beg my brothers and sisters from untouchable mama, the thing they vex me. I know they like all this men wey just dey misbehave. They talk say they be married. They talk say I want marry this one, I want marry the other one. Oh, that one why you na? If you want marry, do one for your own. Go do one for his house. If that make me all advice, not be advice. Like I say now. Which kind of advice if he give for husband and wife? Which kind of advice if he give? More tell me. You know there. First settle your house before you go settle another person. You. People they talk and say they don't see you with your wife, they carry picture because be like say you they shame for the whether you they shame, I don't know. What did they do you? If you like, go marry second wife, Efeyi. On your hand, go where you ladian. You never see. I beg, bro. I know they like all this. Mona tell who know Efeyi. Mona they tell and say what they do no good. Ye they want moko. Aga we da we no we hen like so. Omana we moko no ye yowa. Your son, your way and day. They do it in a peaceful way. Not only call live video, you call the disgrace, and people know say na she because the first wife that is I got to talk and say all first wife they not get character, something like that. They that video for them. Who tell you say all first wife not get character? Now you not get character, you because when you well okay we don't everybody don't see them for social media. Thank God say your wife not be person where all those women where they if I don't come out for live video can't disgrace you. I be where live video. If you they do live video, the woman too they respect you na concern. If na another woman, you don't come out can't disgrace you Wọ́n say egbe nonsense in all the time. Ohaya mo ko ni gboto. Do ma we mo make her understand the we kun. How they work Over here can single mother yebani because you just dey talk any you dey talk say all single mother must marry, all single mother must marry. If your wife come say I not agree make you marry second wife now, he carry you say you want carry your bag you dey go. The woman not come turn to single mother and be that one. Who want come marry again? What did they do you Efeyi? I preach you say they preach well. When they talk about that BD, people where they Nigeria, now they talk all this thing where they talk so Even they don't even wise. They don't do common marriage then they do. They don't they do only tradition make they sit down. They will go pull ring for court. Now court now they can't they go now. You wait there for Europe. You they tell people say Mona can't they marry 10 wife. The one where you get to Miami what? I beg. My brothers and sisters, just rush one because if you get you need I don't know whether you get problem because Mona tell her may they respect your wife. May not they come talk all this rubbish for inside social media because all more any why I not like her. It's not good. I know say some women now wait there if niya gwala ya me negbiya because be anurie you wa ona misbehave. Man, I don't know because I don't know as I talk because some women they still they do pass they do pass themselves. You know say man not love you, you go they force your head put for inside there. I must born for them. I must born for them. Now they cause on this one so. I must born for them. Okay, kiare akana. You must born for them. Do ya we yakin slippers or no akboloto. At last, who do here single mother. See, and I be all this one because now wait till they show us now be this one. Be like saying that the woman I force and put for inside house. Because really man we really strong Ona you go ya demi la wey use money to buy cow. Now you go meet your kegbe of the woman. Now you really do everything. Before you go say I want to destroy that marriage, you go think twice before you go do one. I beg, I don't finish for here, I beg. I greet everybody, una do well. I beg, mona share and go meet Efe, may enter a brain. May not they carry a wife with matter on the put for inside social media. They disgrace that lady, which is very bad. Efe, irrespectable. If you not respect your wife, other person, they not feel respect her. First of all, you go respect your wife before another person go come dey respect her. Because wa mo gboto ye yak yeti kunu. Because when they respect on your wife, the problem if not get respect. If not get respect at all, like say get respect. If for the respect woman we put for his house, that is just the truth. Because man or woman we get respect, it go fair respect person way with a day for his woman we born for you, we born 3 children, be 2 children for you. You know the respect her. Who you say make one respect her? Always on nyama where you talk for that live video where you did for Dania, you this thing for them are there for see. Nyama where you talk for them. Which woman or man where you say may respect your wife for you? You were marry and put for us, you not respect her. Who want to respect her for you? When I send her go give a fair, whether you go even whether all makes sense. If you still take and take makes because I don't know the kind of people when they follow the waka. If they do live video, that one they praise you for inside there. If any time I wear we see me on one. I don't fair tell you before. We see me on one. Why me they're talking for Benin say be at all robo. If any time I wear respect our not be any respect when time I wear respect all this one we they talk about tradition this one tradition day yes we get tradition. Yawe oria nwome oma we na emu ihe mu nwome kwa oria nwome oma we na emu ihe mu nwome kwa ohwo no gele mi nemi no ona ya ve yin ogwa wetin ye we to we owe ohwo no gele mi nemi no gele mgwenye je so da fin ye nya agi yin mi ona wetin ya ve yin ona ove yin ogwa beto ye yin ve yin ogwa beto ya awe mi no ma keke ide aleru no mi okwesi because some people they when they get good woman they go use their hand to push on through. We don't go carry the igele imi ya mujogwa. Yen do mu igele imi jogwa do aso deti yen ije meri magbe o ma so fa yen dey na ni wa do mujogwa na enye emu yen mujogwa because the one we fed there with you not get it you not value. They talk about tradition. We all know say tradition. They will tell you say tradition no dey. And our tradition not say you must marry 10 wives. Now wetin come for your mind na be that one. Okay, in your one in advantage, yes. But our tradition not tell you say, may you go, you must marry 3 wives, you must marry 100 for wife. Like me with the talk. So my father married only my mother, and we are 7 in number. What it be that one? Why you walk by one piece, one piece? Why you walk by who we are a piece here? But una vie a piece go where? That means you go see some of them and they'll say they want marry this one. You must say you walk back here. Why you move her? Why you move her? Why you move here? Why you move here? Now me they talk and we women will be problem. Not true. We be problem. You carry one problem. You carry two problem. Double you go come. So if the one way there for us, you see say character not good or now your own not good because not be say women own na women own na not good. So me own not still good. So me own not good. Like this affair you me just say and say you not good at all. Emma. Emma I get away me rock ba. Wala di wati obo no obo kan we live video uti ebon the family oge we la Diana I want to marry second wife if the first one say no gree I go carry my load that they go that means we gwiyen gwan yo wo we gwan ni do man we no we te gwan wa we la di obe do ya preach all men must marry second wife. Who tell you say all men must marry second wife? You never see some men wey get one wife if they comfortable igbewa ohoe I don't know what you they talk, whether you even they listen to what you they talk self. You get male child, you get female child. We are tamia, what you they tell them? Efei. Try to change all this your nyama character, which is very bad. Emma, you are fooling yourself and you are fooling the woman who you wa. Egbe no kebe no we fooling yan. It's bad. Huh? Wahan yoko yari. Amago no eri. Beto ko no ro wa. U treat ese. Treat ese. Ya wo time ko le gba wa veri second one in wa do agbe mai. Ya we gba va agbe mai no mero. Huh? My brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, I love you all. Now do well. So I just want to talk about this fair bride because this kind of way they do so not good. Kirewo is very bad. You go tell her because otherwise single the thing say I be the best. You are not the best. If you not see all this friend where be or Daniel Dick where they follow they go. They are not friends. When one destroy your house, if they even they support you for them. They not see when no arriba ni down where when or second. Huh? Because that one not even get. If they want me person no may another person has may not good for her. That make me the thought say I not get friends because some friends they're not good. They go destroy your house anyhow for you. Before you wait be as well go come say hey, it's too late to cry. Huh? When you ask boy your way, this we hear doctor show. Who tell you? You're to boy now. I beg you. If you the thing say women then they stupid for abroad, they're not they stupid then. They don't open eye. If you the first or second wife, maybe you go Nigeria, go find them, but not be for Europe for you. Because they don't see say you they do nyama with your first wife. You go still do the same thing to them. The same thing, on how they worse the self. Then you call the talk say, first one not good, throw away, marry second one, if second one not good, throw away, marry third one. That's how our tradition talk. Who tell you say our tradition talking like that? I say. Our tradition, you not see all these big men. Wait there for Nigeria. Not be only what by yanni. Oh, what by yanni. If you not run my mind, if you want to marry 3 wives, go marry. If you want to marry 10, go marry. People deal when they marry one, then they okay with that, only that one. I marry quick, be ayata where you be now, no. Or ayata will be now, me respect it. I beg. From Untouchable Mama, one love, my brothers and sisters. I love you all. Remain blessed from Untouchable Mama. See you next audio. I bet Mona send and go give her a fair. Mona send and go give her. Yeah, I bought them and na temata. When you have a live video, me wa dege wo kan ya here. Iragina ya boto, which is very bad. Efei, my last advice. If you know say you don't want your wife again. You go to commune, you find your when the landlord lawyer go divorce. Say you don't need again. Marriage not be by force or do or die. No. If you see say the thing not agree, because before you say you want divorce, you go first try to make everything dey okay. If the marriage not agree go, then you say okay, as it be, I want live my life. Then you live your life, leave the woman alone. But not they carry on social media. Make they come they cause the woman. Say hey, you win, no, do now we can now go love you. I don't know how we live video. I want to marry second one. If the first one, because all first wife they are bad. Who tell you say all first wife they are bad? Now you not bad, not be your wife. You where ma boma where. All we can win. Bye bye, my brothers and sisters. Watch out. Bye bye.